Come, guys, follow along for me. This is how the caves looks like. Oh, it has been long, man. Wow. Hey. Oh, magic river. Yes,
What?
Maji.
Gani ndio maji?
Ni maji.
Ilitoka chini yote.
Inaonekana?
Inaonekana.
Let's go.
Unachukua senda kwa maji?
Umeplay?
Yeah.
We are at the end of the cave. Here is one of the end. As you can see here, there is some water. We're going to work out for a few press-ups, push-ups, before we shall be knowing what to do next in a few. So the first exercise I want to do, I've done clapping push-ups, I've done haka, I've done haka push-up, I've done one arm push-up. I think we should try handstand. Handstand again. What do you think? Handstand, no. No more. No, fist and finger push-up. Let's go. Hey, this place looks scary, but let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. How will I do another push-up here? Let me try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. What else again? What else? Let me try again. One push up. This place is sliding. What else? Hey, wait.
Yaani cave kutoka.
We want to go there. Pull along.